Okay, I'm going to go over oral dialogue one preparation. In a few weeks, you're going to create a recording for me. But I like for you guys to workshop them first. So if you open up this workshop oral dialogue one preparation, it's in the submission phase. It's going to give you your instructions. It says in 2 weeks, you will complete your first oral dialogue. To help you prepare for this assignment, please post written answers to the questions below, as well as list any words you use in your response that you do not know how to pronounce. Next week, a fellow classmate and myself will give you feedback about your script, as well as give you some help on how to pronounce the words that you struggle with. You will do the same for a fellow classmate. Okay, so when you're ready, you're going to hit start preparing submission. You may even want to copy these questions and paste them down here. You could title it your name. I don't think it's really going to matter because it'll be tied to your name anyway. So it says, ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? And I might say, me gusta leer en mi tiempo libre. ¿Qué haces con tu mejor amigo o tu mejor amiga? Me gusta salir a cenar con mi mejor amiga. Or it could be whatever. So you'll go through and answer these questions, and then you'll hit save changes. If there's any words you don't know how to say, then you might say words I need help with, and then just make a list. Maybe gusta hacer, and you could just make a list of words that you would like for me to give you the phonetic way to say them, so that when you actually make your recording, you know how to say them. And that's how, and then when you are done having internet issues, you'll just hit save. Just hit save changes, and it'll get saved. The workshop will move into the next phase, but I'll discuss the next phase when we get there.